A ring light is a vital tool in video content creation. Even if you have adequate lighting in the room that you want to use for your recording, a ring light can spice up your lighting in such a way that it improves the quality of your videos. The natural and default use of a ring light is to provide lighting to your face as you record. It faces you directly the way you see in the video. The beauty is that you can adjust a number of things to get some effects that you might like. Here is the control panel for your ring light. This is the power on off, that's the lowest button. And then the next button above it dims the light. The next one changes the tone. This is an orange-like tone. This is more whitish, bluish white, tint of cream. This is glowing more orange, etc. So you can change the temperature of the ring light by using this third button from the bottom. And then the top button, what it does is brightens the light. So if you find out that your light is too dim, you can brighten it, you can dim it. You can change the temperature, and that gives you a lot of room to get creative with. If you want to create a video that's warm, you can use something like this. If you want to create a cooler video, a video in which your lighting is cooler, you can use this. That's the ABC of using a ring light for your video creation. So let's explore how this controls the effect they have. So I'm dimming the light, I'm increasing the brightness. Let's dim it again. And then I'm changing the temperature of the light. Hopefully you can notice the difference in the video. That done, I have shared with you how the primary position of a ring light is in front of you, facing this way. Now, you can also set two different ring lights at different angles from your front so that they are not directly in front of you. If you see, you should be able to see some reflection of light in my glasses. If you wear glasses, having your light source directly in front of you increases chances of reflection showing up in your glasses. So if you set them at angles, one here, you reduce the chance of reflection in your glasses. You can surround yourself with 4, 5, 6 ring lights spread out in an arc in front of you, different colors, different brightness levels, different positions, some located above your head, some located below you so that the light is beaming to you from below. There are almost no limits to the variety that you can achieve by playing around with your ring light. Now, I have said that in front of you directly is the natural, the default position of a ring light. But if you look behind me here, you can see that lighting around the potted plant. It's a ring light I have positioned there. I have turned it away from me to face the wall so that the light bounces off the wall onto the leaves of the plant and creates that interesting effect there. You can also play with the brightness of the light, increase the brightness. You can reduce the brightness, increase the brightness. You can change the temperature of the light to whatever suits you. The whole idea of lighting is about playing around till you get the desired results, whatever results you desire, whatever effects you want to create. Play with different positions, up, down, right, left. Just don't allow anything limit your creativity. You never know what you discover by playing around. Lastly, we're looking at the tripod stand that comes with the average ring light. You can use this to adjust the height of the light. You can use this to further adjust the height. You can use this to adjust the legs of your tripod. Simply make your adjustments by turning, adjust, and then tightening it back. You loosen the bolt to make the adjustment, then tighten it back. Same thing here and same thing here. The idea is to give you as much room as possible to create the results that you desire. I hope that this basic tutorial showing you how to use a ring light for your video, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever platform, WhatsApp, these tips will help you get the best possible results that you need. You can always improve on your skills, but you need to start. Play around. Don't stop playing around till you get the results that you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like it, do share it, follow my channel. I'll be sharing more helpful videos like this with you.